Hello, welcome back my dear students. So in this video I am going to teach you the substitution method in a very easy manner. So the substitution method is one of the algebraic method to solve the pair of linear equations into variable. So here we go with a problem from exercise 3.3. Okay, this is question of substitution method from exercise 3.3. So first question is x plus y equals to 14, x minus y equals to 4. So we have to solve these two equations using the method of substitution. Okay, so let us go. Okay, so here is the question 1 from question number 1. Okay, exercise 2.3. So we have to do substitution method here. So it is very easy. So the given equation we can give name equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1, so x plus y equals to 14. So you can do y is equals to 14, so taking x that side minus x. So value of y is 14 minus x. So this expression we can give name equation 3. So now our job is to substitute this value in equation 2. So if you have taken from 1, so you have to substitute in 2. Okay, so substituting 3 in 2. Okay, so we get, so what do you get? So x minus y, so in place of y we have 14 minus x. Okay, so equals to 4. Okay, equals to 4. Now the equation is wholly in terms of x only, so that we can find the value of x first. So x minus into plus is minus 14, minus into minus is plus, x equals to 4. So x plus x, 2x minus 14 is equals to 4. Okay, so only 2x equals to 4 plus 14. Okay, so 4 plus 14 is 18. So this side we have 2x, so only x equals to 18 by 2, that is 9. So value of x is 9. Now we need to find value of y also. Okay, so since we got the value of x equal to 9, so you can put x equal to 9 in any equation, right? So equation 3, so we can do, so equation 3 is y is equal to 14 minus x. So y is equal to 14 minus x, so value of x is 9. Okay, so 14 minus 9 is 5, so value of y is 5. So therefore x equal to 9, y is equal to 5. So this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. So solution always occur in pair. So solution is x, okay, 9 comma 5. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, now next question is s minus t equals to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so this is also linear equation in two variables. So let us try to solve this question. So this question is also very simple. Okay, so first we will write question. Okay, now, okay, so this is the question. So first equation is okay. So in second equation it is in fractional form, but then also it is okay, no problem. Okay, so from equation 1, okay, so s minus t is equal to 3 we have. So s is equal to 3 plus t, so equation 3. Okay, now we have to substitute this in 2. Okay, so substituting 3 in 2, so we get, so what do you get? So equation 2 is s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So here we have the value of s from 3. So in place of s we can write 3 plus t. So 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. Now this is wholly in terms of t only, so we can solve. So the LCM of these two is 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6, that 2 into this, 2 3s are 6 plus 2 into t is 2t. Okay, 2 3s are 6, that 3 into t is 3t is equal to 6. Okay, so now 6 plus 2t plus 3t is 5t by 6 equals to 6. Okay, now 6 plus 5t is equal to this 6 into this 6, cross multiplication, 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, so 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, so this 6 that side we have to subtract. Okay, so 36 minus 6 is 30, this side we have 5t, so now t only equals to 30 by 5, that is 5 6 are 30, that is value of t is 6. Now you can put the value, putting t is equal to 6 in 3, equation 3. So your equation 3 is s is equal to 3 plus t, so value of t is 6, so 3 plus 6 is 9, s equal to 9. So therefore first s and t, so this is in order s and t, so 9 comma 6 is the solution. Okay, or you can leave this much only also. So I'm going to solve a very important question, that is question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So y is equal to mx plus 3, so this is in the general form of the equation of straight line. Okay, so you will be learning in class 11, so equation of straight line, y is equal to mx plus c, y intercept form. So here you don't have to do anything with the concept of straight line, but you just have to find the value of m using this equation after finding value of x and y from these two equations. Okay, let us solve this question. So here are the two equations, so equation 1 and equation 2, and the third equation it is given here. So y is equal to mx plus 3. So first you have to solve these two equations. So let us do, you can take any equations as I have said. So in the previous questions I have taken one, so in this question let us take, okay, from equation 2. Okay, so equation 2 is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So 2x is equals to minus 24 plus 4y. Okay, so you can take 4 common, 4 6 are 24, minus also there, plus 4 into y is 4y. Okay, so this side you have 2x, so x is equal to 4 into minus 6 plus y by 2, so 2 2's are 4, so you can cancel like this. So 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 2 into y is 2y, so x is this. Okay, this is equation 3. Okay, now you have to substitute this equation in equation 1 as you have taken from 2. So in previous question I have taken from 1 and I substituted in equation 2, and here I have taken equation 2 first and we have to substitute this in equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So 2x, so value of x is here, so minus 12 plus 2y and plus 3y is equal to 11. Okay, so this is the equation 1. Okay, so now you have to solve. So this is wholly in terms of y, so 2 into minus 12, so minus 24 plus 2 2's are 4y plus 3y is equals to 11. Okay, so minus 24 you can take this side, plus 24, so 3 plus 7 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, sorry, 4 plus 3 is 7y. Okay, so 7y is equal to 11 plus 24 is how much? 35, right? So y is equal to 35 by 7, so 7 1 is 7, 7 5 are 35, so y is equal to 5, so value of y is 5. Okay, now value of y is 5, so you can substitute or putting y is equal to 5 in equation so 3. Okay, equation 3, so equation 3 is here, x equal to minus 12 plus 2y, so x equal to minus 12 plus 2y. Okay, So minus 12 plus 2, in place of y you can put 5. Okay, so minus 12 plus 2 5s are 10. Okay, so minus 12 plus 10 minus 2, so x equal to minus 2. Okay, so now we've got value of x also, y also. Now we have to find value of m. So using this equation, okay, so using this equation, y is equal to mx plus 3. So now y is equal to mx plus 3. So y is 5, m, x is minus 2 plus 3. Okay, so 5 taking plus 3 this side, minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus m. Okay, so 5 into 5 minus 3 is 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to minus 2 into m is minus 2m. So 2, so minus 2 taking this side by minus 2 is equal to m. So 2 1 is 2, so m is equal to minus 1. So